Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited because this is my first clean with me video and we're just gonna hop right in. So the first thing that I love to do is I love to put on some gospel music and just get me uplifted for the day before I start my cleaning. So I start in the kitchen and I'm just tackling the dishes right now just to make sure that everything is in order in our living space. Next, I like to tackle my coffee bar area. So I just straighten up and I have this 409 Granite counter cleaner. It's really good if you have like marble or granite countertops to just get all the dirt and residue off the counter. So the next thing that I'm doing is just sweeping the floors. They tend to collect a lot of dust and residue after you clean the counters. So I just want to make sure that all of that is up before I begin the mopping process. Next, I'm just cleaning the dining room area, or it's our little kitchen area in where we sit down and have all of our meals. So I'm just picking up the leftover items that were on the table and then getting started with our laundry and just kind of doing a load as I go. I think that's one of the biggest things when I'm cleaning is just kind of keeping the laundry going. So it's pretty much ready to be folded after I'm finished cleaning any of the other rooms. Alright, so next I'm tackling it's kind of like our workspace slash little play area for our daughter, and I just like to straighten this area up just to make sure that no items are left around, and then that space is just nice and clean. So anytime we want to use it, it's available to us and we don't have to worry about things being cluttered. So now I'm in our master bedroom and I'm just kind of, again, picking up all the clutter. I think that's what really happens is we get busy in our daily lives. We work full-time jobs, and so making sure that the house is clean, whether it be on a Sunday or a Saturday morning, it's just really important for us and our personal sanity. So I'm just vacuuming and then wiping down our dressers with some wood furnishing spray, and this just kind of helps with the overall shine and beauty of the dresser. Now I'm tackling our master bathroom, just spraying down the windows, spraying down the cabinets, and just making sure that everything in this area is disinfected and clean, so we can use it and we don't have to worry about dirt and scum on the floors. Everything is just nice and tidy. So now I'm using Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Scent in Geranium. You guys, this absolutely smells so refreshing in our room. So for our last and final room, I love to go into our daughter's nursery and just straighten up, pick up things off the floor and straighten up her little bed, put things away, and make sure that I vacuum and spray down the overall room. So I love her room. It's so relaxing, and I can't wait to put more decorations over her little crib. So that is it, guys. That's pretty much me cleaning our entire house. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions on the cleaning products that I use, please feel free to leave me a comment down below, and I'd be more than happy to answer them. Stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you like, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. Have a great day, guys.